The Karoo wind, a familiar guest here, whipped across the dusty schoolyard. And there she was, Lorado, a grade 12 physical sciences student, meticulously adjusting her spectrometer.
What was she up to, Sylvia?
Bethuel, she was diving deep into a scientific adventure. Lorado was analyzing the spectral lines emitted by a newly discovered, faintly radioactive mineral. Think local variation on pitch blende, something akin to what Madame Curie worked with.
Wow, that sounds intense. More than just a school project, I imagine.
Exactly. It's a masterclass in scientific measurement techniques. Think of it as our podcast episode in the making.
So what was her approach?
Inspired by Pasteur, she was all about absolute sterility. She knew even a speck of dust could throw off her readings. The Karoo wind, with its kinetic energy, served as a constant reminder of unseen forces, mirroring the particles within the mineral.
That's some serious attention to detail.
Oh, it gets better. She carefully measured the wavelengths of light, applying her knowledge of waves and optics. Hours with her Phys Buddy study guide were paying off. Precision was key. Each digit was a tiny piece of the puzzle.
I bet. So what was going through her mind as she worked?
Well, she drew parallels between balancing a budget and conserving mass. Expenses exceeding income? That's a deficit, just like a chemical reaction where mass seems to disappear. But it's a false impression, of course, because energy is simply transformed.
That's actually a pretty insightful analogy.
Absolutely. And the radioactivity added another layer of complexity. It was a testament to Curie's legacy, a relentless force constantly reshaping the mineral's structure.
So, Lorado was basically tuning into the symphony of the universe.
Precisely. The Karoo wind, the faint hum of the universe, it was all a soundtrack to her scientific exploration. And that podcast episode, it's going to be compelling.